Welcome to this video on Taylor's scientific management theory. We will explore the core concept of finding the quote, one best way to work, which is an essential topic for BBA and MBA students. Who was F.W. Taylor? Known as the father of scientific management, this engineer sought to eliminate wasted time and effort in factories. His primary goal was to achieve maximum output with minimum effort. The first principle is science, not rule of thumb. This means replacing old habits and intuition with data-driven methods to determine the most efficient way to perform any job. The second principle is harmony, not discord. Taylor advocated for a, quote, mental revolution, where management and workers align their interests, fostering mutual respect to prevent conflict and strikes. The third principle is cooperation, not individualism. This emphasizes that work should be a collective team effort, where management actively listens to and rewards valuable suggestions from employees. The fourth principle focuses on the development of employees. By scientifically hiring the right person for the task and providing proper training, both the company's efficiency and the workers' prosperity increase. Let's look at techniques. The first is the time and motion study. By timing tasks and eliminating unnecessary physical movements, work can be completed faster and with less fatigue. The second technique is standardization. By using identical methods, materials, and machines consistently, companies can guarantee product quality and significantly reduce errors. You have just mastered the basics of Taylor's scientific management. Remember, prioritize data over guesswork and foster teamwork. Don't forget to subscribe for more simplified management concepts.